Hello everyone and welcome back to Madhu Minu's kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite, the Dahi Vada. This dish features soft dumplings soaked in creamy yogurt and topped with a blend of flavorful spices. It's refreshing, delicious and perfect for any occasion. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. First, we start with 1 cup of urad dal, also known as split black gram. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for about 4 to 6 hours. After soaking, drain the water, add ginger and transfer the urad dal to a grinder. Grind it to a smooth paste using very little water to get the right consistency. Now we add salt and 2 spoons of Rava to the batter. Mix it well until the batter becomes nice and fluffy. This is the key to getting soft and airy dumplings. Now let this batter rest for about 10 minutes. Now let's get to the main preparation. That's the dahi vada batter, dahi, chaat masala, salt, sugar, red chili powder and oil for frying. Next, heat some oil in a deep frying pan. Drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil. Make sure to fry them on medium flame so they cook evenly. Fry them until they turn beautiful golden brown. Once they are done, remove the dumplings and drain them on a tissue paper to get rid of any excess oil. In a bowl of yogurt, add sugar and salt to taste. Now whisk the yogurt until it's smooth and creamy in texture. Make sure the sugar has dissolved completely. Now, to soften the dumplings, place them in a bowl of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, gently squeeze out the excess water from the dumplings. Be careful not to break them. Place the soaked dumplings in a serving dish and generously pour the yogurt mixture over them, making sure they are well coated. For the final touch, we'll garnish our dahi vada dish. Sprinkle red chili powder and chaat masala. Finish it off with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Tada! It's ready! And there you have it. Our delicious and creamy dahi vadas are ready to be served. This dish is a perfect blend of creamy, tangy and spicy flavors that everyone will love.